Officer Hung, good morning, Mr. Q. We're relieved that your son T is safe now. Could you please tell us more about what happened from your perspective? Mr. Q, looking distressed. Good morning, officer. It was terrifying. Around 2:20 a.m. on May 11th, I received calls claiming my son T had been kidnapped. They demanded 200 million VND for his release. In a state of panic, I quickly transferred all the money to a bank account they provided, which they said was in my son's name. But after that, I couldn't reach him, and the scammers kept calling from different numbers, demanding more money before finally cutting off contact. Officer Hung, we understand your distress, Mr. Q. Our team acted quickly. We located T at a hotel in District 7. It turned out he wasn't kidnapped in the traditional sense. He was a victim of a very sophisticated scam. Miss Lan, approaching the conversation. A scam? What kind of scam? I've been hearing about new scam tactics recently. Officer Hung. Yes, Ms. Lan. The Ho Chi Minh City Police recently issued an urgent warning about this particular scam tactic. The criminals impersonate police officers or other judicial authorities, like prosecutors or court officials. They call victims and falsely accuse them of being involved in serious cases, such as drug trafficking or money laundering. Mr. Q, that's exactly what they did to my son. They told T he was involved in a drug case. Officer Hung, precisely. Ben, they create intense psychological pressure. They threaten victims with arrest and criminal prosecution if they don't cooperate. They force victims to isolate themselves from their family, telling them to rent a hotel room and strictly follow instructions only via phone, without contacting anyone else. T ended up transferring a total of 202 million VND to an account named Thanvu 2 Win, following their commands. Miss Lan, that's truly alarming. So, what should people do to protect themselves? Officer Hung, the Ho Chi Minh City Police want to emphasize some crucial points. First, the police never conduct investigations over the phone, and they certainly never ask people to transfer money for investigations. If you receive a strange call claiming to be from the police or any judicial agency, absolutely do not provide any personal information, bank account details, or OTP codes. Mr. Q, I wish I had known this earlier. Officer Hung, and critically, do not go to any hotel or unfamiliar location as requested by the caller. If you have any suspicions, stay calm, hang up immediately, and call 113 or go to the nearest police station to verify the information. Ms. Lan, so, vigilance, calmness, and proactively contacting the authorities are the 3 important steps to protect ourselves. Officer Hung, exactly. It's vital to spread this knowledge, especially to our children, students, and young adults, so they don't become the next victims of these remote control online scams. These high-tech criminals are constantly developing more sophisticated methods.